Hey guys, I'm Dan, a 40-year-old NBA cards collector from Singapore. Today we'll be opening the Panini Prizm 23-24 hobby box right here, okay? So I basically got this box off the official Panini online store. Okay, so let's open this. To be honest, this is my first time purchasing Panini Prizm. I have been off the hobby for at least like 20 years. Just got back to this because of Victor Wembanyama. I've been a lifelong Spurs fan. Okay, huge Robinson fan. Oh my goodness, I'm struggling to open this. As you can see, I'm pretty amateurish when it comes to opening the modern boxes. Yep, I've actually received plenty of very encouraging messages from you guys saying that you actually enjoy watching me, especially opening the 90s cards. I'll be opening a 93 NBA hoops next week, so stay tuned for that, okay? So let's see. Okay, to be honest, I'm not very familiar with all the different parallels, so I might need your help to let me know whether I'm getting a good one. So my main goal today is basically just to get a Wemby base card. I'll be very happy. Yeah, because I've seen huge channels opening boxes of this, but they can't get a single Wemby base card, even like a base card. So let's just open this. Hopefully we are able to get one base card. I'll be quite happy. All right. So let's have a look. Okay, with Dončić. We got Tatum right here. That's nice. Chris Middleton. There's a rookie card, Rayan Rupert. And we've got Allen Iverson. I like the fact that they've actually included some of the greats, the legends. I think it's really nice. Jalen Wilson. Not very familiar with this rookie. I've got a very nice, what do you call this? Insert. Fireworks LaMelo Ball. Let's have a look at the design. Okay, we've got a red one behind. This is a very nice insert, I must say. The design of cards are really beautiful, I must say. The modern cards, but I have no idea about the parallels. Gary Payton. Okay, so 242, number 242. And we've got a number card right here, 299. Robert Covington. It's got a nice one. Max Strus. And Utah Watanabe. He's playing really well. I like him. Nas Reed. Okay. Not a very good start. The packaging just looks so cool. Everything about the modern day cards are just very cool. But they're so expensive. I'm actually hoping that, maybe one day we'll be able to get all the players back then. For example, like Flair, Skybox, Tops. Because right now it's all Panini. Hopefully one day. Okay. We've got LaMelo Ball right here. It's a very nice base card. The design definitely looks very, very cool. I like it a lot. I don't like the fact that they only show one line of stats. Hopefully, in the past, in the 90s cards, they basically show the entire career, which is very nice. Got James Harden, Anthony Black, which is a very promising rookie for Orlando Magic. It's a nice rookie card, definitely. Okay. Got Brandon Miller. Yeah, he's actually playing pretty well at the moment. I mean, Wemby is Wemby. Wemby is just crazy. SGA. It's a nice card. Kaleidoscopic. Very beautiful. The cards are definitely very, very gorgeous. Shiny cards. Jaden Hardy. What do you call this? Parallel? No idea. Is it numbered? I don't think so. We got a Stephen Curry. And is this a core or silver? I think so. I think many of you guys actually call this a silver. I'm not familiar with all the parallels names, to be very honest with you. Kevin Herter. Joey Hauser. Philip Petrosev. Not exactly familiar with this rookie. Opening these cards, definitely it's very, very fun for me, but the price, it's very expensive. But I'm telling myself that I'll be spending a bit more on cards this season because of Wemby's rookie year. So I mean, if you guys are not familiar, I basically collected cards back in the 90s. I'm a huge Robinson collector. So Wemby basically bring back some memories. So I was thinking of getting back to the hobby. Benedict Maturin, I know he's a good player. Bones Highland, Malik Monk. Tyrese Halliburton, I think he's very, very good. I've watched him play. Fantastic player. He's averaging pretty good, 20.7 points per game. And he's playing really well this season, I know. Kobe Jones. Okay. Yao Ming, one of the best centers. This is like a I like the fact that they have actually included some of the old-time greats. We've got Giannis right here. Fractal. Is this even rare? I'm not sure. I have no idea. But I know it's a beautiful card. The design is just really gorgeous. I like Giannis a lot as well. I feel he's definitely a future Hall of Famer. I like watching him play as well. Tyrese Maxey. Is numbered? Nope. We've got a one numbered out of 175. Oh, it's a white. I know this is actually like a new parallel. So it's quite nice. Like, how rare is it? I have no idea. Let's see. White. Are you able to find white? Numbered from 299 to 1. Okay. I don't think it's super rare. Just gonna put it right here. Maybe we can just sleeve this. I have no idea, but I know that the white one is a new color. That's what I heard from other channels. So yeah, I'm still trying to learn all the parallel names. But I like this. It's nice. Prizm cards are definitely very beautiful. Yep, gorgeous stuff. The cards are really thick as well. Back then in the 90s, all the cards were like matte. They're not super glossy or shiny. Except for, the premium cards like Flare. Yep, I actually love the old design. Flair, NBA Hoops, Skybox. Flair is my favorite brand. And next week, I'm actually very excited about. I just got myself a box of 93 NBA Hoops. Can't wait to open it. So we got Terry Eason. Got the SGA. Fantastic player. Love watching him. Donovan Mitchell as well. I think he's one of the scoring leaders this season, if I'm not wrong. Very cool. Paul Pierce. Nice. Brandon Podziemski. Okay, rookie. Cason Wallace. Okay, cool. Prison Break. I mean, is that like pun intended? Like break out of the prison? Zach Levine. Nice. I like this. Jordan Hawkins. RC. Okay, this is cool. Jordan Hawkins RC. And this is a nice one, a Fractal. So we got a Fractal of Giannis, and now we have a Steph Curry Fractal. Beautiful. First player to make 3 1,000 trades in a career. Yeah, he's like, you know, a game changer. He has totally changed the game. I like him a lot as well. Andre Drummond, Andrew Nembhard. We got Derrick Rose. Yep, one of the best players in the past. Yep, I would say in the past. Grizzlies. It's pretty cool. I like him a lot as well. Derrick Rose. What are your thoughts on the prices of the cards? I feel, you know, the cards nowadays are just so expensive. It doesn't make much sense to me. But I tell myself this year I'm just gonna be spending a bit on getting some boxes. You know, it's Victor's first year, so I'll probably spend a bit this year. Next year I'll probably just buy some singles. Opening these boxes is really for the fun of it, and you know, I can also create some content for the channel. But I'm not really looking to, you know, grow the channel. This is basically just for my hobby. You know, it's only like in recent times I've been opening boxes, and it really makes me happy. It makes me feels like a teenager again. KG, very nice. I like him. Keone George, this is a nice rookie card. Emoli Bates, not very familiar with that guy. We got Dončić right here on the fireworks. Very beautiful. I'm definitely like sleeving these cards. These cards are just beautiful cards. Emmanuel, quickly, I think this is a silver, if I'm not wrong. CJ, wow, what is this? It's like a snake skin. It's a pretty nice one. What do you call this? Let's have a look. Is that like a snake skin? Yeah, there's the snake skin right here. Prizm, silver, ruby, snake skin. That's a pretty cool one. Is snake skin, like, you know, it's my first time seeing a snake skin, so it is not numbered. Very cool. I like this a lot. Kevin Knox. We got Leaky Black. Yep, we talk about it. It's quite a funny name. No offense intended. The Thompson brothers. Yep, they're playing well. I mean, if not for Wemby, they're definitely, you know, the top rookies as well. But Wemby is just on a totally different level. I actually like Dylan. I don't like him, but I like, you know, he's very entertaining. He usually creates lots of drama. Yeah, it's entertaining to watch him. Andrew Wiggins. Got Laurie. D'Angelo Russell. Kobe Buffkin. Paul George. Kaleidoscopic. You got Nikola Jokic. Like, is this even rare? I have no idea, but I like it. It's beautiful. Okay, we got Devontae right here, and we've got our Max Christie. It's a red one. It's numbered out of 299. Jaden McDaniels. Alexander. I don't even know how to pronounce his name. Cam Reddish. Still no signs of Wemby. But to be honest, I don't have hopes of landing a Wemby at all, because I've actually seen channels opening like 3 to 4 boxes or even like 10 boxes, and they got, you know, next to no Wemby. Like very few or even like 0. Kawhi Leonard. It's really sad when he left Spurs. Marcus Smart. We got our RC, Ben Shepherd. Isaiah Wong. Okay, that's a very interesting surname, I must say. Oh, okay, what is this? Luck of the Lottery. Taylor Hendricks. Is this like a... Cool. It'd be nice to get a Wemby version of that. Carmelo Anthony. Okay, not a huge fan of this player. Cameron Johnson. Okay, the cards are like stuck. Okay, let's see. Number of 299. So far, I think this is pretty bad. Pretty bad, I must say. Mike Miles. Jared Allen. Jabari Rice. Okay, at least it's Spurs. We are down to just a few more packs. So far, no signs of Wemby. But to be honest, I'm mentally prepared not to land a single Wemby, so you know it's fine. It's really fine if we don't get a Wemby. And Paulo Banchero, very cool player. Devin Booker, fantastic player. Hopefully, Spurs will be able to get a good point guard. Amari Bailey. I was actually collecting his rookie cards. Kessler. Jalen Green Prizm Break. Beautiful card. We've got Spencer Dinwiddie. Not too sure what you call this, but it's a very nice, you know, is this called a shimmer? I have no idea. It's probably a silver. Very nice silver. Rookie card. Eric Gordon. Down to our last 4 packs. As you guys know, if you have been following me, you guys know that we have pretty bad luck when it comes to opening boxes. I'm thinking, is it because they know I'm a collector from Singapore and basically just give me some lousy boxes? Joel Embiid, one of the best centers right now. Yeah, he's pretty incredible. Like watching him play. Pascal Siakam, great player as well, but not really a fan of him, to be honest. Vucevic, Keontae Johnson. We've got Vince Carter, one of the best dunkers. Oh, we've got a nice rookie of Scoot Henderson. Haven't been watching him for quite some time, so I'm not too sure whether he's good right now. Okay, just a minute, because there was like an ant crawling on my ear. Yeah, just it was really scary. Magic Johnson, it's very nice. Oh, we've got Ricky Counselor 4. Okay, not a signature that we hope to get, but I will still sleeve it. I mean, it's an autograph. It's an RC. I mean, it's a rookie card, so any rookie autograph should be pretty good, I would say. Just gonna top load this. Not very familiar with this player, to be honest. Ricky Council. So stick on. We got a Mikal Bridges. Okay, the cards are like sticking together. So quite a nice one. Oh, it's number out of 75. This is a cool one. I'll just sleeve this. But so far, I think it's pretty rough. I mean, at least in my opinion, not exactly very sure about the value of each card. I'll be checking them out, that's for sure. But I don't think, like Steven Adams, he looks like Aquaman. But so far, as you can see, it's we're not doing very well, I think. But it's fine. It's fine. Not expecting much. Sabonis, great player. Trae Young. There are rumors that he will be going to Spurs. I'll be very excited about that. Ryu Hachimura. Jalen Williams right here. Cool. Kemit Moore. Yeah, he's a great rookie. Fantastic rookie. Hunter Tyson, RC. Plenty of rookie cards. Austin Reeves. I think this is called a silver, if I'm not wrong. Oh, we've got a Keone Johnson, RC. Okay, is this expected? I mean, like, rookie cards, autograph. Is this good? I don't mind. I mean, it's pretty good, right? I mean, it's a rookie card and it's an autograph. Panini signatures, but of course they're not like big names. But still pretty happy with these two autographs. I heard you won't be able to get any autographs of Wemby because he didn't sign with Panini. I think he signed with like Fanatics. So you can't get any Wemby autos anytime soon. Adama Sonogo, Kenyon Martin Jr. We got a Ricky Council again. Yep, that's him in the back. I love the smell of new cards. They smell so good. Okay, we're on to our second last pack and still no signs of Wemby, like I've mentioned. You know, I was actually prepared. I actually know that we won't be able to get a Wemby. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, this is actually Wemby's teammate back in Mets. So I guess this is a good rookie card. Giannis, I like him. I think it's a base card, but it's a nice base card. Got another Fireworks SGA. Okay, what's this? Is this considered like a red wave? Sohan. Jeremy Sohan. Cool. We've got James Harden Kaleidoscope. It's a beautiful one. Peyton Watson, Trey Jones, David Roddy. Last pack. So, like what I've told you, I was mentally prepared that we won't be getting any Wemby cards, and you guys can see I don't think it's worth buying a Prizm box. I mean, just go and get the single that you want. I think that would be much better. So no signs of Wemby. I don't think we'll be able to get any single Wemby. Zach LaVine. James Wiseman, Jalen Green, Steph Curry, I like him. Trace Jackson Davis. We've got Jason Kidd, one of the best passers in the game. Kaleidoscopic. LaMelo Ball, and got a silver of Jonathan Isaac. Makalele Fultz. Yeah, what do you call this? I have no idea. Cameron Johnson. Yep. No Wemby. It was expected, so don't feel sad for me. Hopefully you guys enjoy this content, and make sure you subscribe because I'll be opening more 90s boxes. I'm actually thinking of getting the COD Kings. It's very expensive. I think it's just a few cards, but I'll be getting some of them because I love the design of the cards. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. I'll be opening modern day cards as well as retro vintage cards, so make sure you subscribe. Hopefully you're able to reach 1,000 subscribers. We are on like 400, close to halfway. So thanks for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.